All right, let's talk taxes and leverage, okay? Everybody's got a problem with taxes, right? I mean, nobody really gets excited and says, oh man, I can't wait to pay taxes. But ultimately, taxes happen, right? Taxes are something that are gonna happen, and you're only gonna have so much control and say over where your taxes are allocated, right? And some people got a problem with this, and some people just are happy just living in their bliss and letting the government and the city officials, the state officials, the federal officials, letting everybody just handle it, right? Some people are cool with that. Some people aren't. Some people got a big problem with taxes. Some people got a big problem with where their tax dollars are spent and what they can do about it. There's something you can do about it. Well, basically, first step is, yeah, you can get involved. You can absolutely get involved. Some people don't got that kind of time, right? Some people, it's like, how do you make time to get involved enough to truly make a difference on where your money's going to be spent, right? Because you want to have a part in that. Some people actually have no problem paying their fair share, but wish that they had more control over where their money was allocated. All right, so what you need to do is ultimately, talking to all you entrepreneurs out there and all you business owners, what you need to do is be over leveraged. That's right. Now this sounds weird, right? But that's what you got to do. If you leverage enough, then you don't owe any taxes. And then when you don't owe any taxes, you take the money that you have and you choose to allocate it where you want to allocate it, right? You take care of your family, you handle your business, you take care of the things you're responsible for, and then you donate to your church, you donate to your charities, you donate to, public outreach groups, you donate to the different charitable organizations. You can donate directly to the city police if you want to, the fire department. You can literally donate wherever you want. There's very rare instances that people reject a check. So wherever you think the money needs to be allocated, you have the right to spend your money your way. But what you have to do, like I said, is over leverage, right? So how do you over leverage? What you have to do is have more money going out than money is coming in. Well, how do you do that? Because how do you live, right? That's where the word leverage comes in, right? You're not spending money that's yours. So say you have a good, easy way to do it that a lot of people do it is real estate. Real estate. This is how Kiyosaki does it. This is how Grant Cardone does it. You leverage yourself with real estate because ultimately you buy more properties. And now at this point, if you're using that property as business to rent or lease or, whatever, then that money is money you owe. That's not money you have. So you have a $400,000 debt because you bought a $400,000 house. So you owe $400,000. You have a debt. So if your business, you do it under your business, right? And if your business owes $400, or $400,000, then the money you're bringing in, you're generating revenue. But if you don't bring in $400,000, then you owe more than you've brought in. So then what it does is, and you do this multiple times over, right? This cancels your taxes. It makes you exempt from your taxes. This is how the rich stay rich. This is how, whether you love him or hate him, this is how Donald Trump got a lot of his money, is by being leveraged. Grant Cardone, Kiyosaki, a lot of these great people, financial gurus, this is how they did it. And like I said, real estate is absolutely awesome way to do it. People like O'Leary, Mark Cuban, these people, what they over leverage by investing in businesses. But O'Leary will be the first one to tell you he doesn't just invest in businesses. He's got real estate, he's got wine, he's got he's invested into financial firms, into the stock market, he's invested into crypto. When you have money going out into the stock market, you don't owe money on that. It's only when you cash out that you have to pay taxes on that. That's right. That's how it works. You have to pay taxes on the money you cash out, but not the money you put out. The money you put out is leveraged. It's money you owe. You owe money. You have spent money. You're not making money. So that's what you have to do. You buy a $400,000 house. What do? Okay, you sell a property. You sell a property. You bring in revenue through your business, through your investments, or whatever product you're selling. And then you take the cash that you're brought in, then you make another acquisition, right? And you take that acquisition, and what you do is you leverage that by you could take a loan against your property. You could take a loan against your business. And those loans, you can live off of those. You can function, you can run your business off those things. And then what you have is leverage. You have money leveraged. You have money working for you. But what you need to, the only way it works, the only way it truly functions is if you've got that cash flow. You've got to have that money coming back in. Otherwise, what you've done is leveraged yourself to the point that you're going in debt. It takes careful research. It takes time. It's something that's not going to happen overnight, but it's something that absolutely everyone can do. Everybody wants to get away from taxes. There is a way. I assure you there's a way. I want y'all to stay tuned. I'm going to start a whole series and I'm going to break down each individual principle. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but stay tuned because I'm going to talk about it. We're going to dive into this, how you can leverage, how you can diversify your assets, and how you can put your money to work so that way it generates more money. And in the meantime, you can have cash flow coming in, but be leveraged to the point that you don't owe anything in taxes. And then as that cash flow comes in, you can live off what you need and put the rest back out there to do what you want it to do. All right, I'm your boy Corey B, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, ding that bell, get your notifications. Stay tuned. I got so much more. Like I said, I'm going to have a series. This is going to be good stuff. I want us to dive into this. I want y'all's comments. Let's have some feedback. Let's have an open dialogue so we can help each other. Because you know what? There's things I haven't thought of yet. Maybe y'all can enlighten me. All right, your boy, and I'm out.